my first time ever posting a YouTube video. I'm gonna make a lot of YouTube videos, but moving on. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time I post a new video. So, no further ado, let's get started. So, I am going to be cleaning some of my room. It's a lot, but I think I can do it. So, this is what I need to take care of. All this on the ground. Yeah. Okay. So, I'll be magic. I'll make myself powerful, and I'm gonna just make it in a snap. 3, 2, 1.